So, Tom, this week at AWS reInvent, I had a chance to meet up with some old friends who are over at a company called Skyhawk Security. Now, we've talked to Skyhawk in the past, and I spent some time with them, and we'll be publishing a deep interview with them soon. But their announcement here this week is a new platform that empowers red teams and blue teams into, I guess, a purple team to defend modern applications in the cloud. The new adaptive cloud threat detection and response product continually analyzes a customer's cloud infrastructure, looking for holes and entry points. And of course, being 2023, the red team and the blue team are both AI based. Tom, I had a chance to talk to them quite a lot. What's your reaction to Skyhawk Security?
Well, I'm the first person to tell you that AI doesn't need to solve every problem on the planet. But this is actually a problem that AI is really well designed to do. Because what it's doing is it's looking for potential avenues into your network. And in the old days, we know what that meant. We had to go engage our red team and we had to define the parameters and we had to work out a scope of attack and have them try to get in. And, maybe we're going to try this. And is that still, there's a lot of nuance there, right? And, we have to define when this is going to happen and we have to make sure the blue team's ready to do that. What if they all didn't need to earn overtime? What if they all didn't need coffee and sugar? What if they were AI constructs? And that's exactly what Skyhawk built here. Your attacking team is going to use the parameters that it knows from something probably like MITRE ATT&CK or some other frameworks, and it's going to run against your defenses. And the defenders also are software, and they're going to defend using best practices or whatever is in their playbook. And you're going to see how those two things interact. If you're getting shades of the Whopper from War Games, where you've got all of these operation plan response things where, like that big screen at the end where like everything's flying around and everything's flashing, not quite as much flashing, but it's that same idea. We're going to play this out and we're going to see how it happens. And if the defenders always win, great, then we know we probably have a pretty good baseline of security. But if the attackers do get in, just like in any other red team, blue team scenario, it is something that we need to investigate. And maybe we need to put some human eyeballs on to try to figure out, change the attack parameters, change the way that the defenders operate. And I love the fact that they're calling it purple, because we so often get hung up on this distinction. Are you an attacker? Are you a defender? No, you're both playing for the same team. It's like a basketball team. You play offense and defense. We're both working on the same puzzle. And so by changing things to be more purple focused, that means that the ultimate outcome is the same. Our defenses are going to stay, invalid. We're going to make sure that everybody is protected. So I really can't wait to catch this interview that you did, because I know that there's a lot of little nuance that goes into it. And in the world of AI and all these kinds of things, especially where it intersects with security, there's a lot of advances. So this is something I'm definitely going to be paying attention to. I might even see if I can recruit one of these red team AI groups for myself, because if I don't have to buy them coffee, I mean, that's already a win in my budget.